Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check your Android version and whether Drive is set as a device admin. Once done, open Settings and go to Apps or Apps and Notifications. This gets you directly into app controls. Make sure you have backed up any files you need because disabling removes local sync. You also need your Google account password handy in case you must sign out or remove the account. Now tap Google Drive in the app list to begin the disabling sequence. You now take control of Drive by force stopping the app, which halts background sync immediately. After that, clear cache and clear data to remove local copies and settings. This prevents residual sync. Next, select Uninstall Updates or Disable. On devices with Drive pre-installed, this reverts to the factory package and disables it. Make sure to revoke storage and account permissions so Drive no longer accesses files or your Google account. This is why the app stops syncing. Finish by optionally removing the Google account if you need full disconnection. Go to Accounts and remove the account after backing up. Once removed or permissions revoked, reboot the device to ensure the change sticks and verify that Drive is disabled or the icon is inactive. If Drive reinstalls or reactivates via Play Store, boot into safe mode, repeat disable steps, then block Play Store auto updates. If that still fails, sign out of Google in the Play Store as your troubleshooting move.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.